How to download Roblox Studio on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, tap on the Safari web browser on your mobile device. And once you're inside the Safari browser, tap on the search address bar and look for the robloxstudio.com. After you type down the Roblox Studio, tap on the first option available in your Safari. Then simply log into your Roblox credentials using your email and passwords. Tap on the login option available in the top right corner. And once logged in, simply tap on the share icon available in the bottom. You can see there's share icon available in the middle. Simply tap on it. Then scroll down till you see the option add to home screen. Now tap on the add to home screen option available there. And now you can rename your Roblox Studio according to your preferences. Here I'm writing down the Roblox Studio. And simply tap on the done option available in the top right corner. After you do that, you can check your home screen. The Roblox Studio is downloaded. You can simply open it and you are logged into your Roblox account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.